Topic sentences and paragraph arrangement. Two major options. Determine how many topic sentences and paragraphs in a body through the question types. Though it depends on the question types, most argumentative essays would need 3 paragraphs to be sufficient. This is recommended for beginner levels. A time-saving and common way to write is 2 body paragraphs. First paragraph, you say all good things about A, and in the second paragraph, you say all bad things about B. Then you choose either A or B and mention your preference in conclusion, while you restate all the chief ideas. However, if you mention your preference in conclusion, you are making a few mistakes. 1. You are completing your argument of support here instead of in a body paragraph. 2. You can only simply conclude it in a sentence or two, which will take away the position of stating all of your thesis statement and topic sentence ideas. 3. You will just rush off all steps and lose some scored functions. Now next is a better way for advanced students. Topic sentence and paragraphs for the body depends on the following. Option 1. If you have to defend 2 sides and give your choice, you need 3 paragraphs. In the first 2 paragraphs, you have strengths and weakness for each. In third paragraph, of course, that will be your choice and reasons why you choose it to support it. Option 1, 2. However, in the first paragraph, instead of saying all straight good points, you also say 1 or 2 bad points. But it doesn't affect anything. And in the second paragraph, you say a lot of good points. Then also add 1 or 2 common good points. Still, it doesn't help. This is a way to make it more real and objective. Option 1, 3. Then, in the third paragraph, it's only reasonable that your choice outweighed the other for all its good points, in spite of little side effects, which can be overcome. Therefore, we recommend option 2 as a more official, logical, and mature body paragraph arrangement. If you happen to have an implied or incomplete thesis statement from the introduction and opens up all the way down till the end, you are in an upside-down essay structure. You definitely had blind topic sentences and have to make new ones in the body. This case can hardly be consistent, coherent, and a strong support. Before we finish this lecture, let's review the main elements of body support. The way for about a strong support. 1. A powerful claim idea opens up with sub-ideas in a logical relationship. 2. Strong and sufficient evidence that are mature, objective, and well organized.